The grand piano cabinet is united with the rim. It defines the form and periphery of the soundboard. Its dimension and density are decisive for projection of tone. Bechstein is a company which respects human and ecological resources, doing its utmost not to burden the environment. We employ all available protective measures for environmental preservation and regeneration. We use the most modern technological systems with a threefold filtering of emissions. We recycle materials, energy, and also heat with an exhausted or filtered airflow. In this department, we do lacquering and cabinet finishing. Polyester lacquer is sprayed here in a specific number of coats. After numerous seasoning periods and fine differentiated sanding, the lacquer develops into a robust and brilliant finish, pleasant to the eye. At the same time, the surface serves for the projection of high frequencies of tone. For a manufacturer to be able to sustain business today and also to generate it for the future, he needs a solid and yet dynamic foundation. You constantly need to review the product and the possibilities to improve it, to refine it. At times, new methods must be implemented as a result of research and development. Here in our German Center of Competence and Know-how, we have an R&D department where 5 engineers are constantly checking, testing and researching procedures, current materials and the precision of the product. After all, we are fanatics for precision and innovation. The engineers work very closely with the master piano makers who have great experience, who not only make pianos, but who also do concert service and therefore know what our pianos can and what they are expected to do under the most rigorous professional conditions. The expectations of the artist must be fulfilled. From this exchange and dialogue between engineer and master technicians, new ideas lead to new possibilities, to either refine or re-engineer an existing piano model or to develop and engineer a new one. In the last 10 years, we have completely re-engineered our C. Bechstein concert series. In addition, we have developed the new Bechstein Academy series to meet the demands of the current market. We have thereby very successfully challenged the current competitive price-value relationships and set a new standard. We are now in one of our main areas of expertise, which is our R&D department. Here each idea and experience is gathered, evaluated, and documented in such a way which allows us to test and go through variations or possibilities, to elaborate and calculate details of what we already do and what we could do in the future. Each engineering and manufacturing parameter is scrutinized and put to the most rigorous test. Here test series are developed and synergy effects in superior piano engineering and piano making are investigated again and again. It is an ongoing dynamic quest to achieve the best. It is like a symphony of knowledge transferred and implemented with know-how and realized through technology and handcrafting.